If you want to automate client onboarding with your CRM, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick 3-minute tutorial, you'll know exactly how to streamline your process and save time, all while keeping things personalized for each client. Let's dive straight into it. First, you'll need to identify what steps are involved in your client onboarding process. Typically, this includes things like collecting contact information, setting up meetings, sending welcome emails, and assigning tasks to your team. Once you've mapped out these steps, it's time to automate them. To get started, you'll want to pick a CRM that allows automation. We'll be using our software for this tutorial, but there are several CRMs that have similar capabilities. In your CRM, you'll typically find an automation feature that lets you set up workflows based on triggers. For instance, when a new client is added to your CRM, you can set up a workflow to automatically send them a welcome email. This can be done in a few clicks by selecting the trigger, like New Client, and linking it to an email template. The beauty of automation here is that it ensures every client gets a timely, consistent, and professional first impression without you lifting a finger. Next, set up reminders for meetings or important tasks. For example, when a client schedules a discovery call, you can automate reminders to your team or to the client about the upcoming meeting. Your CRM can send an email or even a text message with the meeting details so no one forgets. Now let's take it a step further by automating document sharing. If you need clients to sign contracts or fill out forms, you can automatically send them those documents when they enter your onboarding workflow. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that the process is seamless for both you and the client. You'll also want to track progress. Using your CRM's task management system, you can automatically assign tasks to your team members whenever a new client is onboarded. Whether it's scheduling a follow-up call or reviewing a document, your CRM can assign these tasks based on predefined rules. This keeps your team organized and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. At this point, you might be wondering if all this automation is too complicated or hard to set up. But with the right CRM, these features are intuitive and straightforward to use. And as I mentioned earlier, we're using our software in this video to show you how simple it can be. Plus, you can follow along with an exclusive free trial that's available only for viewers of my channel. Make sure to check the link in the description below. Here's your key takeaway. Automating client onboarding with your CRM is about saving time and ensuring consistency. By setting up automated emails, reminders, and task assignments, you're not just improving your efficiency, you're also creating a better experience for your clients. To recap, first, identify your onboarding steps, then use your CRM to automate emails, reminders, document sharing, and task management. With these simple actions, you'll have an automated, seamless onboarding process that works for both you and your clients. And don't forget, I highly recommend taking advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description to follow along and see how easy it can be. Thanks for watching.